Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Hepshine Abhijit Mulik. Today's date is 7th of October 2021 and today's discussion topic is discussion about the public static void main string arguments. Before discussing that our discussion topic, firstly I will introduce myself. My name is Abhijit Dattatreya Mulik. I am from Kalam district Usmanabad. I had completed my graduation in mechanical engineering from G.H. Rai Soni College of Engineering and Management, Wagoli, Pune, and also completed my diploma in mechanical engineering from Swedish College of Engineering and Polytechnic, Pundarpur. That's all about me. So now we will discuss about our today's discussion topic, that is discussion about that syntax of that public static void main string argument. So if we talk about that, then it is the that syntax is for a main method, used for a main method. The name of that method is a main method. Actually, before starting that syntax, firstly I will give an example of the real time example of that comparing with that main method. So if there is one room, for that room there is one door, to come in that room, like that way, means it is an entrance point of that room. Like that way, the main method is the entrance point of that particular program of code. Like that way means if we write something in that main method, then firstly the method is called is a main method. In that something is there present in that function, in that main method there is something coding is there, then that coding will be executed by calling that main method. That's the function of that main method. So now we will talk about that syntax of that main method, that is the public static void main string arguments, what it is. So if we talk about that first word, that is the public word, that is the public keyword. So keyword, we know keyword is the reserved one in words in a Java, which meaning is already declared in the Java program. So that public is an access modifier. If you talk about an access modifier, there are totally four access modifiers, that is public, private, protected and default. But if we talk about the main method, there is a must we give only and only one access modifier, that is a public. If we give any other access modifier, at that time the error will become. Because why? Public is declared because if you call that method from another class, that time the public only the access modifier which is used only is the public access modifier. Means if we want to call that main method from another class, that time the access modifier used is a public access modifier. That's why the main method is a public. That's the all about that first keyword, that is the public. Now if you talk about our second keyword, that is the static. Static is also a reserved word, means keyword present in a Java program, which has a certain meaning. If you talk about the static keyword, the memory is allocated for that method is at a time of the class loading. Means the method which is called at the time of the class loading, that is the only static method. That's why the main method is declared as static, because it is act as the doer of that program. Means if there are many methods present in the program, then in that only and only main method is static. Means firstly we call that static method, and at that time through that static method we call that other methods. That's all about the meaning of that declaration of that static word. So now we will talk about the keyword, that is public static is over now. That third keyword is the void. If you talk about that void is actually a return type. Means the main method returns nothing. That's all about the meaning of that void keyword. Because if in a main method something is there, that is something work is there in that main method is declared, then the function of that method is to do that work, not to return something. That's why the void return type is used for that main method. Then the main is the name of that method. Means actually the method is declared as a main because it is executed at first before executing all the methods present in that program. That's why the name is given as a main. So now we talk about that parameters present in that main method, that is the string, then square bracket and then arguments. So if you talk about that string arguments, that is the parameter given in that main method, through that parameter we can give any argument to the any method. That's why that string arguments is used. We are able to change that name of that array, means actually string array, string square bracket arguments is a one type of array. If you talk about that string word is the predefined class in the Java program, because there are multiple predefined classes are there in the Java program, which first letter is a capital letter. That's why that all the methods that is a predefined class in a Java program, that's first letter is a capital letter, and that's why string is a class, predefined class in a Java program. That's why it is given. We are able to change the name of that array, that is the arguments. We can give any name, that is the a, b, c, or a or b, like that. That's all about that string arguments. That parameter is used to give any value. Suppose there is in a main method there is sysout statement is there, and then at the argument of that sysout statement, that is the arguments of 0, square bracket of 0, means we can give any value to through that arguments, and the value is given at that value. The value is passed in that array at a 0 index. Which value is present, that value will be printed in by that sysout statement. That's all about that string argument statement. Now if we talk about that string keyword, that is this parameter is used to pass any value, like to pass like any data type, that is the int, long, float, double, then character, like that. That's why that string is used, that is the string predefined class is used as a parameter in the main method. That's all about the syntax of that public static void main string arguments. That is the syntax of that main method, which is present in the Java program, which is act as a doer of that program. That's all about it. Thank you.